Welcome to Mile TV. Today I want to show you our new toolkit for the BMW control arm mount. Usually you can buy this control arm mount separately. Looks like this. This is fitting several BMW models, as seen in the description below. And then we have this available together with the toolkit. This kit is comprised of also the part itself, and then we have the pressing tool. The pressing tool is comprised of several parts. We have these pressure pieces. Big one and the small one is to press out, and then we have the similar sized one to press in, together with the bolt and the nut. Now I show you how we do this on the car. To be able to change this lower joint, as well as this holder, we first have to remove the control arm, all the connections towards it, stabilizer link, shock absorber. Also don't forget the height sensor here attached on the top of the control arm. And then we are good to go. You see the job here is already done. One tip also to all of you doing this: check the bushings on the control arm while it's been taken out. If they are worn, perfect chance to renew them. Therefore, click the link below and you'll see how this is done. Now we go to the other side and perform the actual change.